it's Ellie, Debbie's niece, and this week I will be walking us through the vlog because Debbie is in Maryland.
What you doing, Dad?
Carefully painting.
What color are you using?
White.
White what?
I don't know.
White swan.
I'm back with some buoys and some projects for Grandpa and my sister because I'm going to be traveling this week. But it should be interesting. I think Ellie is going to do all of the editing.
Yes, I am. Here I go.
Let me know what you think. Nell's patio structure has arrived. They will be building that this week. However, there was some drama that I will explain later. It's so cozy in here. Look at the coziness.
Buoys for me?
I got buoys.
Yay.
And I got a seashell light picture.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
Where did you get that?
Bobby. Maybe we'll put them up there. We'll see. So this week I am going to be traveling. So Ellie's doing the whole edit.
Ellie's doing it all?
She's doing it all. I'm just going to be sending her clips from Maryland.
Where can I put this?
Mom only cares about the buoys right now.
She's going to be doing the music and the voiceover, and I think it should hang up there. What do you guys think? I don't mean to whine and complain, but it is June and it is raining in Southern California. And as you can see, I am dressing like it's summer anyway because I'm fed up. We're to Grandpa's to get the milk for coffee, and I also wanted to see his coffee table. I gave him homework to repaint it. I don't know if you remember how it was, but these are basically the colors of his house. We're slowly incorporating them. We need to incorporate more orange. This is his nightstand. It used to be red. Danielle bought it from Mama Bear Blue, and we love it, but we wanted to add orange. This is the beautiful artwork that she did, but it now needs to be sealed in a little dark wax, I think. So that is going to be Grandpa's homework for this week. What do you think of the decor, Levi? Let's have a sit down talk. Lots of people ask about you. They're worried that I might get paint on you, and they want to know what it's like to have Grandpa take care of you. This is how he is whenever his grandpa is gone. My dad's refrigerator. It's rusty, it's old, it's yuck. I have a whole Pinterest board called Refrigerator Refresh, and we are going to do something, either paint it or reconfigure it. That's going to be coming up in the following weeks. But I came over here to get the milk for our coffee. And there it is. I'm taking the milk back over to Danielle's house, and we are gonna make the second cup of coffee of the day. Okay, Grandpa, some of the ladies on YouTube who think you're really handsome, they've also expressed to me that they don't like it when we call you Grandpa. Do you have a problem with that?
No, not really.
They're like, why do you call him Grandpa when he's your dad? Because it's like a nickname that's stuck, right, Sadie? You're organic Grandpa. How do you feel about all the ladies saying how handsome you are all the time?
I'm flattered.
I am about to paint my sister's mirror. I want it to be yellow. So we've got crinoline and we've got liquid sunshine. We're gonna mix it together and make a creamy yellow. We're gonna glue seashells to it after we paint it. And then we're gonna put it up there on top of her entertainment center. What do you think? Are you excited? There goes a little bit of yellow. This is crinoline. Our yellow covers pretty good, but yellow across the board, if any color is not gonna have great coverage, it's yellow because something about the yellow pigment. So the crinoline in here will help the coverage because our whites cover really, really good. And we will not need any more than this. And I love this buttery yellow color. I'm not worried about getting paint on the mirror itself because it's easy to wipe back. It's not like another paint.
A quick question.
What?
Why wouldn't you just use cake batter?
Cake batter is a totally different color. It's more of a earthy yellow. And I want that bright, sunshiny pop of color in your house. So even though this is mixed down, it still has that sunshine feel. Cake batter has more of a subdued, neutral feel to it. And this mirror is slick, so the first coat is gonna be kind of streaky. I'm gonna let it dry. Our paint works like a primer because of all the clay in it. This will be dry in a few minutes and I'll give it a second coat. Plus this dark underlayer is gonna be really pretty when we distress it back. You guys keep asking where this antique mall is and what the name of it. This is proof. It's just called Antique Mall. That's it. It's in Encinitas.
Debbie and Bobby headed over to the antique mall to hang a couple more display pieces to show off the products that we sell. Jenny made this decoupage display with all the different papers we sell. I think this is such a creative way for customers to see the different variations of paper. Then Bobby screwed in the famous lady to the wall so that nobody could steal her. Okay, let's head back over to Debbie painting.
Normally DIY paint dries really fast, but it's not. Because it's not summer yet, even though, what's the date? June 9th or something?
June 11th.
It's June 11th?
Yeah. It's cold.
It's raining.
It's raining outside. That's why we're painting on my island.
You know, whenever I complain in my videos, there's always at least 5 comments about people telling me to quit whining. I'm gonna film from inside because I don't really want to go out in the rain.
Yes, Debbie is very dramatic when it comes to the weather here, but I think it's because she only wears dresses and flip-flops.
Are you excited to see this thing? Are you jealous that you don't have one yet?
He doesn't want one.
He doesn't want one.
He doesn't want to shade the sun. He loves the sun.
Oh, what sun?
Yeah.
Sadie, where's the sun? Where's the sun? Normally on Sundays I rest, but yesterday I rested and now I'm feeling some energy. So while I'm here, I'm gonna paint Danielle's front door yellow. I'm gonna do that same yellow that's in the mirror. Crinoline and liquid sunshine. And this door is hollow core, kind of slick. So we're just gonna see how it goes. Gave me a shirt to wear while I'm painting so I don't get paint on my dress. First coat is on. I probably used 2 ounces of paint. It went on really easy because the store was already painted white and the surface was ideal. It wasn't super slick. So I'm gonna wait for it to dry and then I will give it a touch-up coat. And in the 30 minutes it took me to paint the door, they're still unpacking the parts. So I've just been chilling, answering some YouTube comments while the door dries. They're out there still reading the instructions. I'm not gonna film that because I don't want you to get bored. In the meantime, look how she sleeps. She likes to burrow herself into the pillow piles. Don't you, Sadie? Don't you? The front of the door, it took just 1 coat, like a tiny little bit of touch-up after it dried. And this is one of those fake wood doors, brand new, came with Danielle's house, but it's like a matte finish. So the paint is grabbing on really quick. The mirror took 3 coats. It was really slick. And so if you try and put on a second coat too soon, you're just gonna move that paint around because it gets reactivated so fast. There's like little funny marks like this because I got impatient. I look at it like dating. You don't know what the history is of the person or the piece that you're getting involved with. The door was easy maintenance. This mirror takes a little bit more patience. Overall, DIY paint does grab really well. It's made out of clay, so eventually it cures like Adobe, but sometimes you need more cure time than others, depending on the surface. How's it coming out here?
It is a perfect fit to the last inch.
Wow. The story behind this is we were going to build a custom one, and because of the regulations here in the cottage community, could not attach to the house. She had to get permission, and the only option was something that could be taken down, like a pop-up tent. And of course, we don't want a pop-up tent. We want a structure. So Danielle found this online, and it just fits. Like, she has very specific needs because this space is how wide?
Exactly 9 feet wide, and this was exactly 9 feet wide.
Yeah. Do the dinner dance? Are you? Are you? Oh, yeah. Okay, here it is. The structure's all done, and now the roof. They're gonna put on a clear corrugated roof so she still has plenty of sun. I love it. And then there's the door. Look at the door, it's good.
All right, so I'm at Home Depot, and for Mom's birthday, we're getting her the flowers for her garden. So come with us to help shop for them. Me and Emma are here, so we're gonna pick out which ones, and Debbie is not with us, so I need to FaceTime her and see which ones she thinks that she would like and would be good.
Simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand.
This is the first one, and the cart's rolling away. Just a reminder, you guys, if you love the content that we are creating, it is a huge blessing if you could subscribe and like this video. Tell your friends about it. We love making videos for you guys, and it really blesses us when we can grow and be able to do this more. All right, Mama, here comes your garden. Okay, come look. I didn't what did Mom do?
I'm waiting for my Uber, headed to Maryland to be chosen to create retreat. I hear there's sunshine in Maryland. This is what they look like. I'm not impressed. They're not horrible. They have that cold aftertaste that a lot of fake sweet stuff has. I prefer the aisle seat. What do you prefer? I hate the middle, and one time I got smashed up against the window for hours, so ever since then I need the aisle.
Look what Grandpa is doing. Oh my! Grandpa, you're painting!
She called me last night.
And what'd she say?
She said, paint your door orange.
So Grandpa is using fire starter, and show us how you paint. He's spraying it with some water and applying it. And this is a sample size, and this is how far he's come. Then Mom, Emma, and I spent about an hour planting Mom's flowers in her garden. It was so much fun, and it turned out so beautiful. We do need to go back to Home Depot to get about 2 to 3 more bags of soil because it didn't quite go all the way to the top, but it still looks great. Let's jump over to see how Debbie is doing at the retreat in Maryland.
We're packing up the car, getting ready to go to the retreat, but I just wanted to show you. This is what is across the street from Kanice's house. Isn't that amazing? It's like a movie set. Hi, Kanice. We're going to your retreat. Are you excited?
I'm very excited. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. It's so beautiful here.
I know, and it's such a pretty day, and I'm excited to meet the ladies that I don't know and to see all the ladies I do know.
I have one thing to talk to you about, though.
Oh, talk away.
You took our sunshine. We don't have any in California. You guys took it all over here. Give it back.
We have been having an absolutely beautiful spring, I will say that. And I think maybe God just said he wanted to have a beautiful retreat, so.
I'm taking it home with me. We are almost there. We're here. This is the Welcome Center, and these are the rooms we're gonna be staying in. There's the new barn, and I think everyone arrives tonight. I'm standing in front of the cafeteria now. Gonna go get a cup of coffee. People are gonna be arriving soon. I am late, and this is where we are gonna hold all of our sessions. It's raining. I was not expecting that. It's supposed to be 80 degrees. I'm wearing flip-flops and a sundress. So Beth's class is starting, and I am going in. I think they've started the worship.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Darling.
This is our junk journal class, and this is how far I've gotten. I'm here with these lovely ladies. You guys having fun?
We are.
Great time. Yeah. Yep.
Yes.
So happy to be here.
So we're just walking by the dump, and we found this vintage suitcase. And we're not gonna get it because that. So I'm sorry, Debbie, if you wanted this. We're putting it back. Thank you guys so much for watching and for coming along with us this week. Debbie will be back on Sunday, and remember to subscribe and turn on your notifications because we have new videos coming out every Friday. If you guys haven't heard, Debbie and I have a private membership group and we go live every week on Monday. We give exclusive tips, insight, and answer any questions that you guys may have about really anything. And so if you guys would like to join or find any of the products used in this video, check the description below. Love you guys. Have a great weekend.